I'm going to quickly show you how to install Git on Windows. First, search for git-scm.com. Now click on Install for Windows. Then click here to download. Once the installer is done downloading, open it. Make sure Open Git Bash here and Open Git GUI here is checked. Check this box if you'd want a desktop icon. Check this box if you don't want a Start menu folder. Click on the drop-down menu and pick what editor you'd want to use. I'm going to pick Visual Studio Code. Here, select Override the default branch name for new repositories if you don't want to use the default name Master. Make sure Git from the command line and also from third-party software is selected. Select Use the Open SLL library. I'm going to leave the next few settings as default. Now let's check if Git was installed correctly. Open command prompt as administrator. Type git space dash version. If you see a version number, then you've installed Git properly.